company, and his name is Mustafa, and let us congratulate him first of all. Mustafa, congratulations, recently got placed, and we want your interview experience in the company and what are the rounds they have conducted, how did you felt in the interview process, and how many rounds they have conducted in the trial, and please let us know so that it will be helpful for our students also. Please continue, Mustafa.
Yeah, sure. First of all, I would like to very glad to hear to meet Shana. So she's one of the trainer in QSpiders. So she has learned teach me like API, and I would like to share my experience in QSpiders Punjagutta. That I have just coming to my background studies. I have completed my B.SC in Geology. So in the year 2022, I passed out. So after that, I would I want to shift my IT domain. So I shifted to QSpiders, and they have learned me the teaching like manual testing, API and pipeline like tools. So mostly I have get the job here to like cracking the interviews. They conducted the very mock interviews, and also they conducted like presentation. All these are very helpful to me. So these are the main key points which I was placed in the particular company. So I got the job in manual testing in the company. Glad to hear joining the QSpiders Punjagutta.
Okay, just tell me what are the rounds they have conducted in the time?
Yes, they have conducted first for technical round, and after that they have just conducted this practicals, how to crack that particular designation. Am I worthful or not? They checked me, and after that they have conducted the HR round.
Okay, which is the very difficult round did you tell me that?
Difficult round, nothing is difficult round because as I told before, from QSpiders I have learned they clear everything. I feel nothing difficult in that, so I have cleared everything.
Okay, just give me the suggestions to our students also.
Nothing, like me, just go with the flow, go with the faculties what they are explaining, just follow their experience, what they are sharing when they are teaching something along with the subjects. So be aware of what are the subjects and what are the updated versions in the market coming, all these points, and we have to do the mock interviews always, and we have to give presentation in front of everyone because we have to remove our stage fear. Mostly we are facing lot of, even though we are having the lot of technically we are facing at the stage fear. We have to rebuild that. These are the all these practices I have done from the QSpiders. So I'm really thankful to the QSpiders.
And once again, congratulations, Mustafa. We hope that you have a great journey in the IT industry.